what's new?
Well, I think I'm going to go to California.
California? In America? Really? Wow. So why do you want to go to California?
I need some money.
Really? So, you know how China's like whole different culture than America? I mean, you leave your family and your friends.
But I'll get to meet new people.
I guess.
Well, I think I'm going to go to California now.
Well, I hope you have a safe journey and I hope you learn new things.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Li Chu's adventure's just begun. He's drawing his way to California. He's drawing his way to California.
What are you doing? I finally made it! Get out of our country, stupid Asian.
Me too.
Hi, I'm back from California.
How was America?
It was awesome. I found so much gold in California.
Seriously, I heard about the gold rush. That sounds awesome.
You want to come?
Yeah, sure. Come on.